Element 1, keg storage. Critical temperature, 38 degrees. Dedicate the walk-in cooler for kegs. Too cold makes it difficult to create a good head of foam and also impacts the flavor profile of the beer. Too warm can create a dispense issue. Element 2, the gas blender. Maintains carbonation from the first glass to the last, optimizes quality and maximizes keg yield. On-site blending of CO2 and nitrogen lowers cost. Element number 3, secondary regulator panels. Dedicated keg pressure management allows pressure adjustments to each individual keg. Element number 4, stainless steel contact. It improves hygiene and service life. Stainless steel contact is the brewer's choice for beer contact, and it ensures product integrity. Element number 5, profit maximizer or ProMax unit. Maximizes profit and minimizes waste. When the keg empties, the beer line remains full and reduces pour costs and maximizes keg yield. Element 6, power pack. Provides cooling from keg to the glass, custom size for each application, using a BTU formula to maximize performance. Element 7, trunk line. Maintains the temperature from the cooler to the tower. Barrier tubing prevents flavor migration and oxygen ingress. Tubing allows the flexibility and versatility of switching from one beverage to another. Black Diamond jacket is 15% better thermally and easy to install. Element 8, KOOL-RITE tower with stainless steel faucets. Modular constructions eliminates internal connections and the possibilities of leaks. It includes stainless steel beer lines, shanks, and faucets. Element 9, glassware conditioning. Glasses should be cleaned with beer-friendly detergents. A freshwater rinse is recommended prior to pouring, and properly trained bar staff increases profitability. Element 10, system cleaning and maintenance. 14-day cleaning cycle maintains brewery fresh taste. Brewery-approved chemicals must be used.